Hello, welcome to our room. We are staying at the Hilton London Canary Wharf, and this is our King Junior suite with an interconnecting twin room. So this is brilliant. It's like an apartment really, the size of it. We've got a separate living area with giant TV, and then we've got the bedroom area which is partly screened off, and a very nice welcome with the swans on the bed. And we have a nice touch here, a little welcome note.
Yeah, nice too.
And these are nice as well. We've got a lip balm, cooling balm, and a night cream. Nice to relax.
The view is nice, look at it. Oh, you're enjoying it.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm looking at a beautiful view.
This is nice. So this is the view. We've got London City in the background.
And you also have the little tram on the railway coming
The
over.
DLR. Good view.
It's big thing.
TV here. And I'll take you to the bathroom area now. So we have a separate bath with Crabtree and Evelyn toiletries. And you've got your sink area, which has got mouthwash and a shower cap. There's sound here in the room as well, and shavers. And then we've got a separate shower here. Then I'll take you back out. There's a large entrance hallway here. Lots of room for luggage and storage. There's a safe and a hair dryer and some slippers for using while you stay here. And in this wardrobe there's also laundry service, luggage rack, ironing board, and some robes. And there is a fridge area as well if you want to use that while you're here, and tea and coffee as well. So there's enough room there to store some waters and things. And I'll take you into the twin part of the room now. So it's interconnecting, which is great for families because the children can have their own space as well. And because it's Holly's birthday, there was a really nice welcome. Happy birthday pillowcases, balloons, some towel art.
Hello. We have a snack bar as well with some magic stars, Skittles, and some nice little sweetie bags, along with some gifts for Holly for the top of the building.
Thank you, little teddy. And it's also a nice birthday cake gesture. Happy birthday, Holly. All free. Prosecco for kids, so that's nice. They can join in the fun too. These rooms are actually on the executive floor, which is 12, 13 and 14, and that has access to the executive lounge, and that's on the 14th floor. And the children, so as well as having their own beds, there's another desk area, some seats. There's also some water, tea and coffee in here as well, and another fridge. And they have their own separate bathroom. So this bathroom is slightly different. It's got a separate bath. Lovely big mirror. And you've got some hand wash, body lotion, and again, mouthwash and shower cap. And a walk-in shower. So this is our base for 2 nights visiting London, and it's a great location. We've got the new Elizabeth line from Paddington in, so it was only 20 minutes to get to Canary Wharf, and it's close if you want to go back to the theatre district or to visit the main attractions. It's quite a hidden gem really, and we've enjoyed exploring the area so far. And what would you like to see, girls?
Comment down below and remember to subscribe. See you later.